Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right JDBC driver and confirming SQL Server access. Once done, create the database and a user with minimal privileges. This is safer. In Netbeans, add the downloaded JDBC. Jar to your project's libraries so the driver is on the class path. Make sure your server allows TCP/IP connections and you know host, port, database name, username, and password. These values form the connection string you'll use next. Now write the Java code to open a connection and run queries. First, load the driver class when required, then create a URL like JDBC, SQL Server, //host, 1433, database name equals mydb, encrypt equals false, and call driver manager. Get connection, URL, user pass. Use prepared statement to avoid SQL injection and try with resources to auto-close connection, statement, and result set. Handle SQL exceptions and log SQL state. This helps you understand permission, network, or syntax failures during execution. Finish by running a minimal query, such as select one to confirm connectivity. This isolates network and auth problems from application logic. Once verified, package your app ensuring the JDBC jar is included or available on the server class path. If you hit a failure, double-check firewall rules and port 1433, confirm credentials, and verify the driver matches your JDK. Also inspect the exception message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.